Guys, this particular YouTube short in the luxury niche, which has posted a month ago, has made $70,000, and the product is... Guys, this channel has only 4.06 thousand subscribers, and see the amount of views he got. Here he has got 5.6 million views in a month, 122,000 views in a month, 19,000 views in a month, 13,000 views in a month for just 4,000 subscribers. And this one over here with 916 subscribers has got 26,000 views in 5 days, 7,000 views in 2 weeks, 6.7 thousand views in a week. Guys, as you saw, YouTube shorts are so popular around the world right now. All these videos are YouTube shorts. This video is only 9 seconds long, 8 seconds video or 6-second video, and this video over here, which got 5.6 million views in a month, is a 21-second video, guys. And as I told you earlier, and as these are small videos, it's obvious that it won't get $1,000 in YouTube ad revenue, but you can blow up revenue on other aspects, guys, such as merchandise sales and affiliate marketing. So stay tuned, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a 6-figure YouTube short business without making videos. And if you really appreciate me doing all the hard work for you and coming up with these kind of legit ways of earning money online, leave a like to this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be one of the first ones to be notified whenever a new video pops up. So you can come over to YouTube and search for hashtag shorts, and this is the shorts page, guys. Today is the 24th of July 2021. There are 43 million videos with 4.3 million channels, and see the amounts of views they get, guys. 247 views in 12 hours, 307 views in 1 day, 495,000 views in 20 hours, 25 million views in just 21 hours, guys. It's just a 21-second video. The best thing is the strategy that I'm going to show you can be done using any niche you prefer. So you don't have to copy other people's YouTube channels. You can start a unique channel right now. So as the first step, you have to create a Google account and start a new YouTube channel. I hope you know how to create a Google account and a YouTube channel. Create a Google account, come over to youtube.com and sign in, and click this button over here, and you can create a channel from this menu. Okay, in this page we'll search for luxury. Well, guys, people love luxury. They even love luxury content, so that's why I chose this. So you can see the amounts of views they get, right? Guys, if you scroll down, you won't run out of content ideas on this niche. So I'll show you a channel. This channel has got only 894 subscribers, and see the amount of views they got. This is 12 views. But see this one, 2 days ago 1,000 views, 2 days ago 17,000 views. So if you start a channel as a beginner just like this and upload a quality content, you'll get views. Obviously you don't want to have like 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers, right? So it depends on the quality and the content in your short. You can see it by an example, right? This video has uploaded 5 hours ago but still no views. 17 hours ago video has only 3 views. 2 days ago video has 17,000 views, and this 4 days ago video has just only 29 views. So it doesn't matter whether you have 1 subscriber or 100 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers. It's YouTube shorts, and your content will be trending if it's unique and a quality one. And let's see another channel. This one right here, it's called Majestic Cars, 174,000 subscribers, and see the amount of views they got. 27 million views, 11 million views, 10 million, 4.3 million, 4 million views. Guys, obviously these may be channels that have progressed over the years, but as a beginner there are many perfect examples out there how you can really grow a YouTube channel fast using YouTube shorts and make tons of money. I'll show you an example. So this channel over here has got only 916 subscribers. I showed this earlier, and this channel makes money on YouTube without creating their own videos. They don't use any cameras, they don't show their faces or record their voice. You can literally outsource content from free copyright websites, guys. So as I told you earlier, if you can post a good YouTube short just like the ones I'm gonna show you in a while, you can get loads of views, which means revenue. So we are talking about luxury here, luxury cars. So let's start creating a YouTube short. So you can go over to a luxury car channel such as let's go for Ferrari. You can go for like Lamborghini, Maserati, Rolls-Royce or Mustang. Make sure you go to the verified channel. So find a luxury car channel and we can use their content. Now remember, YouTube ad revenue doesn't matter with this. We can use this content as we are not relying on YouTube ad revenue. There's another strategy that we'll be using to make money way more than ad revenue, guys. There are so many channels these days using this strategy to earn tons of money. And also, if you care about YouTube ad revenue and you're planning to monetize your content once you meet the requirements and once you get accepted to YouTube's partner program, what you can do is to come over to pexels.com, which is a website that allows you to get free stock photos and videos, to download, and search for luxury cars. Here I'll search for just Ferrari and go for videos, and here you'll find some copyright free videos, but not much. As I search for Ferrari, if I search for cars, there will be more videos. They have over 9,000 videos. This is if you care about the YouTube's ad revenue, and if not, you can go over to this and select a video. We'll select this one and copy its link by hitting this share button, and copy it from here and come over to Google and type YouTube downloader to MP4 and pick one of the downloaders you prefer and paste the link you copied and download it by hitting the start button. Make sure you download a quality file, and if not, you can download one of these by hitting this free download. And make sure you download a quality file as well. And now you have the video, and now what you have to do is to come over to canva.com. This is already canva.com. This is a free tool that will allow you to design like social media posts, flyers, logos, resumes, postcards, and many more, like videos and all. So you have to go and hit videos over here and select mobile video. And now you should go over here and upload the file you downloaded and drag it over here. If not, just click on it. Make sure you make this as a video below 60 seconds, as YouTube won't allow you to post videos more than 60 seconds as YouTube Shorts, and you have to like drag it all the way just like this, as it should be a portrait and it should be full screen when someone plays it as a YouTube short. And you have to go over to text and add a heading. You can add like grab your merch in the description, and I have to make it white and go to elements. You can play around with this, guys, and get a shape and take it down just like this. We'll make it black, and you can download this by hitting this download button over here and download the MP4 file. And now you can come over to YouTube and go over here and hit create and upload your video. Select the file you downloaded, and guys, before you post this, you have to come over to teespring.com and start designing by hitting this start designing button. Fill in this information. Well, if you have no idea about Teespring, you can watch a full Teespring tutorial that I created a few days ago, which shows you how to start an online store via Teespring, how to sign up, how to design, and everything. I'll put the link down in the description so you can design your own merchandise. So as I already have an account, I'll log in from here. So you can choose products as much as you like and add to your Teespring store. So here you can design products like apparels, accessories, digital products, home and garden products, and many more, guys. There are 180 products, well, 180 plus products out here. So you can choose the products as much as you like and add to your Teespring store. So I'll do one as an example. Okay, so we'll go for the t-shirt just like this, and again you have to come over to pexels.com and search for luxury cars, as these are a niche, and choose one, download it, come over to Teespring, you can add an image just like this. So you can add some text as well if you like. And here, this is the most important part. Here, this t-shirt will be sold for $26.99 and the profit you'll get will be $10 per sale. So you can change this price. If you make it as $46, you get $30 from this t-shirt, pure profit. You can change the colors as well. You can choose some different colors. It depends on the merchandise you choose. And there are 180 plus products out here. You can choose whichever the product you like and add to your Teespring store. And after setting up this, you can continue and add to your Teespring store. You can put the same design to the products you like. It's really easy, guys. You can watch the full tutorial in the description, the Teespring tutorial. And you can grab this Teespring stores URL from here after you put a title, description, and you'll get a URL here. So you can put that URL in the description of your shorts video. Guys, think about that. If you have a YouTube channel getting thousands of views per day, the amount of traffic that you'll be getting to your merchandise and sales every day could be well over 100 to thousands of dollars per day, per week, per month, depending on how often you upload. There's a lot of potential, guys. So give your store URL in the description, give some tags according to the video you're posting, and upload the video. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. And also from today onwards, I'll be starting a new WhatsApp group as well. I'll give that link down in the description. Any of you who would like to ask questions from me regarding the videos I post, you can join that WhatsApp group and contact me through that WhatsApp group, and I'll be happy to help you. Make sure you like this video, share with your mates, subscribe with notifications on. Thanks for watching.